O'Reilly Auto Parts and Magic Valley Early Iron present the 17th annual Joe Mama's Car Show, Saturday, August 22nd from 9 to 4 with Thunder on Main Street at high noon. Con Paulus is hosting a poker run on Friday the 21st at 4. Join us for dinner and live music by Nothing But Heroes and Lou's Cruise. Enter your own car the morning of the show for just $10 and they hand out the awards at 3. The 17th annual Joe Mama's Car Show, brought to you by O'Reilly Auto Parts, Magic Valley Early Iron, KMVT, Fox 14, and Southern Idaho's CW.